Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. You might have seen so many AI videos, documentaries, shorts and reels all over social media lately. These videos are super trendy and getting millions of views.
You can also make videos like these in just a few minutes. I'm introducing you to something that will completely revolutionize your content creation workflow. CapCut's brand new AI video maker. This AI-powered tool does all the hard work for you. It writes your script, generates images, creates voiceover, adds subtitles, background music, and so much more. Whether you're a complete beginner or a content pro, this tool is a total game changer. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into tutorial on how to use CapCut's AI video maker to create amazing videos in just minutes. First, download CapCut from the link in the description below. It's totally free. Once installed, open the CapCut. Here on the home screen, you'll see CapCut's newly launched AI Video Maker tool. Just click on it. Here you'll see a few powerful AI tools like Instant AI Video, which generates a video with images. Brainstorm with AI helps you come up with unique content ideas and scripts, and a few more tools you can explore individually. But the real power lies in the AI Video Maker, which combines all of them in one smooth workflow. And if you scroll down, you'll see ready-made templates. These are perfect for TikToks, Shorts, and Instagram Reels. You can easily start with these, but for this tutorial, let's create a video from scratch and click on New Project. The interface is super clean and easy to use. All your tools are on the left-hand sidebar. Let's begin by creating the script for our video. You can write your script directly here or head to the Script tab for more advanced options. First, enter your video topic. For this video, let's say our topic is animals. Next, under Key Points, I'm writing Facts about ants. Now choose your video duration. I'll select 1 minute. It's perfect for YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Next, mimic writing style. If you want your script to match a specific writing style, maybe a popular YouTuber or brand you like, you can upload or paste that script here, and the AI will mimic that style. Down here, we have option for more requirements. This section lets you give extra instructions, like how long the sentences should be, or how you want the script to start and end. For this demo, I'm giving the AI very little information, just the topic and key points, because I want to see how smart it really is. Now, let's hit Create. In just a few seconds, you'll see a fully written script appear. The paragraphs are nicely broken down. If you're happy with it, click Use to apply it, or hit Regenerate if you want another version. You can always rearrange or re-edit the script later, so no worries. Now that our script is ready, let's add visuals to it. Click on the Scenes tab from the side menu. In this section, you can select an AI avatar. There are a number of AI avatars that will speak a script that you created here. But for this video, I want a voiceover-only video, without any avatar. So go to the Voice tab. CapCut's AI Video Maker provides dozens of realistic voiceovers to choose from. Let's test a few.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Leo have nice tone, but a bit too slow.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Sounds older and funny.
Welcome to
creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
I think Richard's sound good, more professional and informative, perfect for educational content. Let's go with Richard. Click Apply to all scenes to assign this voiceover to your entire script. Now, CapCut is generating the full voiceover in the background. Just give it a few seconds. And it's done. Let's play and listen to it.
Did you know that ants are one of the most successful animals on the planet? There are over 12,000 species of ants living all across the world, from the Arctic Circle to the desert and everywhere in between.
Sounds good. Professional, clean, and perfectly synced with the script. Once your voiceover is ready, now it's time to add visuals. Click on the Media tab inside the Scenes menu. You have three options here. Generate AI media. The AI creates medias that fit your script using its own AI model. Match your media. You can upload your own videos or stock images, and CapCut matches them to script. Next, we have Match Stock Media. CapCut has a huge built-in stock library. It pulls keywords from your script and finds matching stock footage. For this demo, I'll use Generate AI Media. Next, you need to choose a media style. CapCut offers various styles like clay motion, cartoon, cinematic, anime, and many more. I'm choosing photograph style to make it look realistic, like documentary photography. Next, set your aspect ratio. I'll go with landscape for now. You can also set the player aspect ratio from here. Once style and ratio are set, click Apply to all scenes. And just like that, visuals are being generated for each part of your script. It's fully automatic. Even though it says 4 minutes, it usually finishes faster. And done. All scenes are now filled with matching visuals. Let's play it back.
Did you know that ants are one of the most successful animals on the planet? There are over 12,000 species of ants living all across the world, from the Arctic Circle to the desert and everywhere in between.
Looks amazing. Media is matching the narration well. You still have full control over editing or arranging the scripts. If you don't like a certain footage or want to experiment, just click Replace. Under the AI Media section, you have the option to change the style of the media. You can edit the prompt to generate something more specific. Now click Generate and wait a few seconds. Once the new images are generated, choose your favorite one and click Add to Scene. And that's it. The new image will instantly replace the old one.
Times their own weight. This is equivalent to a human lifting a car. Ants are also very smart. They have been observed using tools and even building dams.
What if you have specific videos or images you want to include? Again, go to Replace. Instead of generating AI media, go to the Your Media section. And in this section, upload the footage and assign them to scenes. Excellent. Our own custom footage is now part of the video. Now I'll show you a third way to add a media. Once again, click Replace, and now go to Stock Media. CapCut has massive stock footages in their library. You will see a search bar where you type in keywords related to the content you want. For example, let's search Earth. Pick the best matching clip from the search results. Click Done. Now you can manually trim the clip or use auto trim to adjust its duration. Once again, click Done. Now let's play our video.
In every country on Earth except for Antarctica.
Yep, this clip matched flawlessly. Next, let's add captions or subtitles.
Did you know that ants...
You already have the subtitles, but let's make them more stylish. Click on the Elements tab. You'll see a bunch of subtitle styles here. Pick a style that fits your content's tone and audience.
Ants are one of the most successful animals on the planet. There are over...
Try with several options and select the one that looks clean and readable. I like this bold white and yellow subtitle with a drop shadow. It's applied instantly to the whole video. Once the caption is prepared, now let's give the video some life with background music. Go to the Music tab. You'll find hundreds of free tracks across genres, all royalty-free. I'm going to search inspiring music. I think this one sounds great. Just hit the plus icon to add it to the video. Let's preview the final product.
Did you know that ants are one of the most successful animals on the planet? There are over 12,000 species of ants living all across the world, from the Arctic Circle to the desert and everywhere in between.
Looks and sounds fantastic. Once you're happy with your video, hit the cloud icon in the top left to save it. Then, click Export, and your video is ready to be shared on YouTube, TikTok, Reels, or wherever you want. Hold for a few seconds. And that's it.
You've just created a complete, professional quality, AI-powered video, from script to final export, in just minutes. Download CapCut from the link in the description or try out the web version directly in your browser. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching and happy creating!